Hi cutie Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a hard-boiled egg, so let's get started. First, draw an oval shape here. And then inside too. Draw two round big eyes inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Draw the detail. A curve. And inside with 3 lines. And the mouth. Now we have a hard-boiled egg. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.